Hi everybody, welcome to Truck School.
Yeah.
Where learning is fun, and if you're not having fun, you're probably not learning very much, because learning should always be fun.
So today I got a test for you. What you think this is, a transformer or a normal car?
Ooh.
A normal loader.
Will you reveal, Nathan?
Mom, it's clean now. What does reveal mean?
Will you let everybody know the truth about what it is?
So it's actually a transformer.
You did reveal it already. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is unexpected.
Them arms move. Ta-da! Wheels move still. No, really big. And you can fold the legs.
Yeah, so I can see all of Nathan if I make it smaller like that. And look, he's putting together the transformer.
I don't want to make it look like that.
If you make it really big, look what's gonna happen. Watch. Oh, it's so big. Nathan is huge.
I got that right. Yeah. It's all filled up.
All three of your trucks are filled up.
Yeah. So that can't fill up that whole bucket right there. It can't fill up this whole bucket either. But what it can do is hold it.
Look at how these remind me of boulders in the
Yeah.
back of your trucks. Where this reminds me of a really fine, almost like gravel or something like that.
Yeah. Now my shirt said,
What does your shirt say?
please blow.
Freeze.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blow.
Yeah. Freeze and chill are so similar. So Nathan, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go and get some big candles. And then we're gonna carve the candles. Because Nathan is trying to whittle a tiny little crayon. He is doing a great job, but he is hampered by his tools. He is limited by his tools and the size of his materials. So we are gonna go get a candle, 2 candles, maybe 3 candles. Well, I'll do some carving. Jesse, do you want to do some carving?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good idea. Okay, we're gonna go to probably the dollar store and we're gonna get some candles. All right, we're ready to go, everybody. Jesse, do you have an idea?
Yeah.
What's your idea?
Let's go now.
Okay, David, you ready to go?
Yep.
Okay.
He has an idea too.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
We're all really looking forward to getting these candles and maybe some carving tools.
I got the idea.
Okay, what's your idea?
Turn on the garbage line.
That's an excellent idea. If we are going to go anywhere, we have to do that. All right, see you all there. All right, we're about ready to head in
Yeah.
to the dollar store. It's open. Ready?
There's more dollar stores in town, but
You ready, Jesse? Did you find candles? What did you find? Oh, pirate gold.
a $100 one.
Whoa, can you see a number? Would you see a 100 on it? Oh, yeah, totally. 100. Wait, Nathan, did you find the toy aisle? Oh my goodness.
These are baby toys.
Baby things. Baby spoons. Baby bath toys.
Look at what
I think Nathan has probably found.
Mom, this could actually help us.
Oh my goodness, could
What?
it help us?
Yeah, let's see if it's junk or not. Because they could be found junk.
So how can you tell if it's junk or not?
By using it. This one's junk.
How do you know?
Because it doesn't have windows. It's made of really cheap plastic.
It's made out of cheap plastic? Well, what is this one made out of?
Strong plastic.
Is that one made out of stronger plastic?
Yeah.
How are the wheels attached?
Huh?
How are the wheels attached?
Pretty good. Better than this.
So we got, can you show everybody?
Yeah. We got this.
What is it?
It's a candle, but it's not open.
It's a giant candle.
Yeah,
And-
we don't know how to open it.
And what are we gonna do with the giant candle?
Great.
Scrape it, we're gonna carve it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So we got to the aisle that had all of the candles, but the aisle that had all the toys was a little distracting. And it was really hard for Nathan to give up the cool police jeep that he saw. He had to leave that behind. Yeah, he was pretty disappointed, but
I did it.
you did it. I'm very proud of you.
Can you open this now?
Yeah, let's find something to open it and then let's get carving. Nathan, is there another way for hard wax to change its shape?
No. All of them are got everything.
So if I gave you something hot, what would happen if you touched it?
It would burn my hand just like Dad.
Oh, did Dad burn his hand?
Left a lawnmower.
Oh, silly Dad. Oh my
He-
goodness.
You know, you don't like seeing it, Mom.
No, I don't. I don't like seeing things like that, that's for sure.
Me neither.
Okay, we'll tell you what, Nathan, how about we be really careful and we have a little experiment? Okay, this is something you can do with a grown-up and only a grown-up. Okay?
Do that.
So with any experiment, what you want to do first is set up your workstation. We want to make sure that the surface of our table, which is not an exquisite table, but nevertheless, we just want to keep it from getting all waxy. You found it! Good work. Did you retrace your steps?
Yeah.
Okay, good work.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is slightly dangerous. What we're gonna do, and I'm gonna hold it, okay? I've got a metal straw, and metal conducts heat really well. What that means is
And put it over there.
if we heat it up, it is going to get really hot. And so we want to make sure that we don't hold on to it too close to the tip, because if we're heating up the tip and then you hold on to it close to the tip, your finger will get burned like Dad's got burned on the lawnmower, which is a no-go. Okay, so we'll hold it like, I'll hold it here. Are you ready? Should we put like a hole in it?
Sure.
Ready? Look at this. Whoa! Look at that. Melted a hole right in it. The shape of the straw.
Put it right there now.
Where do you want it?
Right there.
Okay. Ready? Whoa! Look at that!
Now it'll be easier.
Yeah. So it's not carving it the same way you're carving it with a knife. It's still changing its shape, but we're doing it by melting it. Ready? Oh, there we go.
I'm ready.
Light your candle. Let's hold the wick in. Woo! Okay, hold it up straight. Oh, actually, you know what? Holding it on an angle is a much better idea, because then the wax will drip over it, and I'll keep holding on to it with you, okay? Look at how big that flame is. That's pretty big, isn't it?
I'm saving a bunch of wax. I want it to blow it out.
Okay, you blow it out. That's a good
Look
idea.
at where.
Oh, almost. Keep going. Yeah, you did it. nice word. Okay, look at how the smoke ribbons. It's magical. But keep that far away from faces.
Why?
Why? Because this part could still be very hot, and if it poked someone's eye, that would be really bad. That would be dangerous. Remember, keep it over the tin foil. Keep it right over the tin foil. There you go. We only do activities like this with a grown-up. Playing with fire is really, really dangerous because if it drops or if it gets out of control, the whole house can catch on fire, right guys?
Right.
So we only do this with a grown-up, and we make sure we have water really close by. Ribbons floating up into the air. Okay, Nathan's gonna light his big candle. Try again. There you go. Keep it over the tin foil. Over the tin foil.
Look.
Whoa.
That one looks like a bomb.
Wait, did you see one that looked like a bomb?
Yeah.
Is it like watching clouds?
Yeah, in home. Wait, look at these clouds. What's the clouds are going?
Where are they going? They're dispersing. They're floating up and then slowly disappearing. Dispersing into the air. Okay, this is the new Hot Wheels that is going to become Waxify. Okay, so let's heat up a chunk of wax here.
All cover
And drip it on.
up.
And then just watch. Just like, kind of like lava, or I should say, yeah, lava is runny and hot. Once it cools, it becomes, you guys know what lava becomes when it gets cool?
Magma.
Oh,
Rock.
Rock, yeah. Rock is cool and hard, isn't it? Yeah, and this wax, it's going from hot and liquid to super solid. And I think this Hot Wheel is gonna be completely encased in it. What are you making, Jessie?
Hot water soup with hot candles.
Oh, is it gonna be delicious?
Yeah.
Ooh, there we go. Oh, it's out.
And you made it so much sparks. That gave me an idea.
That gave you an idea?
Yeah.
What kind of an idea?
Do it again
Oh, okay.
to make more sparks.
It's kind of cool. I feel like I don't have to paint a vehicle. I could just use these crayons and melt it on, and it turns this beautiful color. Look at that blue. Oh, that's good. Jessie, you sound frustrated.
Please, can you write that one? Please. Fire out.
Oh, watch your fingers. Okay, so Jesse's candle is gonna make this job go a lot faster because this candle, you can just, the flame melts the candle if you hold it on its side. So I can drip the wax pretty quickly actually, all over. All right, there it is. Look at, my Hot Wheels is completely covered in wax.
Is it dry?
And so you wanna see if the wheels will spin?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
The back wheels. The front wheels will, but not the back wheels. So you'll have to take off this one.
Take what off? The wax?
On the back, yes.
Oh.
Not the middle wax in the back.
Is the goal so that the Hot Wheels can still drive? Because you know what I was pretending?
What?
I was pretending I was at the base of a volcano and it erupted and now I'm completely encrusted in volcanic rock.
Can you cover the whole thing around the front wheel and make it a rectangle?
Oh my gosh, like put it in a, I don't know how I could make it into a rectangle, but I can certainly try to cover it up more. Ooh, look at these little wax cookies.
Let me have one.
Sometimes if you're getting hungry and you start feeling cranky, it's because you're actually hungry and your body's telling you, feed me, feed me. Let's go get some food. We're gonna have a snack and then we'll come back to this a little later, okay? All right, so today wasn't as much about carving the candle as it was about playing with the melted wax, which turned out to be pretty cool. Nathan, did you like playing with the melted wax?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it pretty interesting how the candle is a solid wax form, and when you apply heat, when you get it really hot, the wax, it turns into a liquid?
Now I'm saving this. Want to know how you can dry out really hot of that really fast? You dump it in water.
Oh, that's how you cool it down really fast? Yeah,
And
I saw
it
you.
turns into a form, like lava.
Oh, that's right, it turns into a solid form. When you dump it in the water. Nathan, did you dump, I saw you dipping the straw into the water every now and then to cool it down. Did the wax on the tip turn into a solid form when you did that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I like melting it.
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Okay, so you know what we're gonna do? Our last experiment
My
for
mom
the day.
is pretty bad at it, right, Mom?
Pretty bad at what?
Make videos.
Pretty bad at making videos? Is it fun?
Yeah.
Well, then maybe we'll get better. If it's fun, maybe we'll keep at it, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we have one last experiment that we're gonna do with our great wax exploration. Okay, this is our last experiment.
It's
Let's turn
done.
this off, let's turn this off. We're gonna put the wax in boiling water and see what happens.
Yeah.
Nathan, did you put the waxy Hot Wheels in there? Oh, Jesse's got it. Jesse's got my
Put
wax
in,
wheels.
put in.
There we go. Okay, let's see what happens. Maybe we'll make it so that we can see the top of it. There you go, all the waxy parts. Okay, so Nathan, do you want to make a theory? What might happen? What will
So
happen?
my theory is it'll all burn to smithereens.
Oh, it'll like fire?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll
Like,
all, but except the plastic and the Hot Wheels.
okay, so you think it might be fiery?
Yeah. Except for the Hot Wheels.
Except for the Hot Wheels. It'll leave the Hot Wheels?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that would be cool. Jesse, do you have a theory about what's going to happen?
No that.
It's going to melt it. Everything?
No. So I'm going to put.
Okay, let's see. So when you've got a theory, the only thing we have to do is test. That's all the fluff you can get?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get the water.
All
Alright. Jesse, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Nathan, are you ready? Okay, so So let's see what happens. Keep this far away.
I put some more blue ones in.
What?
Some blue.
It's turning blue. Oh. Oh.
Let's see. I wonder if the Hotwheel.
Okay, let's see if we can dig up the Hot Wheels. Oh, look. We'll try again. We'll try again.
Beep, bop, beep.
Woo, there it goes.
Beep,
Got
bop,
it out. Okay, I'll move this aside and let's have a look at this. Whoa. Is it completely clear of wax?
Yeah.
It melted off entirely, all the wax that had been encrusted.
Right on those wheels.
Oh, that might have just got picked up from the table though. I bet you could go like that. Okay. Ooh.
Now let's put this in to make it safe.
You can see layers of the wax. There's a water. What is that green thing in there?
I put it in.
What did you put in there?
A piece of pea.
A piece of pea. I thought that was... You snuck that in there, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's so funny. We'll have to let this cool down, guys. Yeah. So it actually looks like this on the top. I think this part's the wax. And underneath it, this cloudy part that you can see the rim of my spoon, that's the water. Because we put a whole bunch of water in, but there's only a little bit of wax. That's the wax. And it looks like water, it looks clear because it's melted. And it's because the wax is made out of oils. And oil will always rise to the top. Okay, Jesse, you've got a little bit more fluff. You want to add it? Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, it's melting. Oh, it's melting. I'm melting. Ah. Oh, let's see what happens. Blue
Wait,
ion. Oh, you got more blue in there. It'll be really neat if this melts all of it. It started to steam. My gosh, it wasn't steaming before. It's like you released a whole bunch of heat when you stirred it. There it goes again. Look at the steam is coming out. It's like it released the steam.
Wait, we can make that stuff for my smokestack for my house.
You want to make what stuff?
That stuff. For this, and put a lid on it, and cut a hole in the lid, and glue and hot glue, and with that hot glue gun, a pipe on it, and another pipe on it, and then put a hole in the tin can, on a little hole in there, and then connect the pipe onto it, and then a big hole around it, and it'll come out.
Oh my gosh.
And a little mixer.
And you know what? You've got in your brain a really detailed invention. Wow.
And a mixer to go right in there.
Yeah.
That'll go vrrr. So when it's winter time, I can snuggle up in there and spin it.
Wow. You know what? I'd love to see a drawing of this invention.
So what I'm gonna do is cut a hole there without breaking the rest, and put a pipe and put a little filter in there, big enough to go around in the cup, and a little wind upper to go on it, and then a lid on top. and a hole in the lid, just big enough for a pipe, and another pipe glued to it, and then another pipe glued to that other pipe, and then a little hole in the tin can, and then a big hole in the tin can. Yeah.
The liquid at the top, that's the wax. And then all this blue at the bottom, that's the water.
Mom, can you reboot your fingers?
Reboot the fingertips? Okay, everybody, so this is really cool. I dipped my fingers into the hot wax. It's not so hot anymore because the water cooled down.
Right now?
Oh, and look at this. So each time I dip it in, a new layer of wax goes on them, and it's like, and it hardens again, and they make.
I want to put more wax in it.
You're putting more wax in. Nice work, Jessie. Oh, look at Nathan's hands. Oh, he just made wax fingers, wax hands. Look at those hands. Completely waxy. Go for it, Jessie. Oh, so brave, so brave. Okay.
Pew, 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 pew.
Dip. You're gonna make these big wax finger caps. Oh.
Yeah, but don't wear them all day.
Wait, don't wear these finger caps. Maybe I'll have the wax power. Zap, wax, zap. Zap, wax. Okay, tap your finger on my finger. Woo!
I heard it.
Hey, look, I've got a little wax hat. Ready? So the important thing to remember is you need to wait until the water cools down so that the wax isn't too hot anymore. And the wax is always going to be cooler on the top and the water is on the bottom.
I'm taking the wax.
My fingers are getting stuffy in there. Like I feel like they're getting stuffy, and if I flex them, I can feel the sides cracking. Whoa. So fun. Watch this. Oh, listen.
Hold your hand still.
Okay. No, don't do it. Ah! Ah! Wait, you took my thumb cap. Oh no, there it goes. It's getting smelted down. Bye, thumb cap.
No.
Oh, my thumb feels free and fresh. Oh, it feels so free and fresh.
Hold your hand still.
Oh no, hold my hand still. What are you planning? Oh no, oh.
Don't hold it still.
Oh, my pinky is free. It feels cool. I like to feel the fresh air. Not so stuffy. Okay, well, there we go. That is the finger cap. It's pretty thick, actually.
Bye-bye.
Ah! Ready? Okay, there they go.
Well, it does work to use it.
So Nathan, what is the coolest thing you've done with the wax today?
This.
The finger caps? Oh. That is a nice, even coat.
Look, Mom! I glued all my fingers together with it.
That is so cool. I like your recycling method. How you're recycling all of the wax on your hands. Well, everybody, it's been a really fun day exploring melted wax. And
it turns out it's the end of the video. Bye. The person's kids are better than grown-ups.
from the kid himself. All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining us today. And just like every other big project, when there's a big mess after a big project, we've got to
Clean up.
clean up. So we're gonna do a cleanup. And tomorrow we're gonna take another video and explore melted water.
Yeah.
We'll see you then. Thanks for joining us again. We love you and keep learning. Keep having fun.